how to remove your WhatsApp from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your WhatsApp from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your WhatsApp account from other devices, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and first of all, let's say that you have WhatsApp opened up and you are also logged in on other devices such as maybe your browser or your desktop or wherever else. And if you want to log out from there, it's very simple. Just tap the three dots option located at the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you'll find this option known as linked devices. Make sure to just tap on it. When you tap on linked devices, you will be able to see this option over here, which is the currently linked devices on my WhatsApp account. If I tap on it, I'll simply have the option to log out. So now I can just tap the logout button and then I'll get successfully logged out of my WhatsApp account. This way I can remove my WhatsApp account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.